smoking on that gas. While y'all puffin' trash, stay losing them ashtrays, but never in last place. I grind to my last. Felt we at the grind, and you know the grind don't stop. Peace and greetings. My name is Jordan Sharp. This is the official first video of my new channel, DTATelevision. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna let y'all into a little secret right now. I'm trying to get to this YouTube shit. I'm on crib, I'm working. I need a motherfucking whip. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna be honest on this platform. I need a motherfucking whip. I need some shit for my music. This rent shit, this ain't no hoe. This gonna be a special little video today. So 2024 right now, a month into it being February type shit. I wanted to do this in the beginning of the year, but 5 ways to improve your life in 2024. We in that Kobe year. Rest in peace to Kobe. I'm gonna say that again. Rest in peace to Kobe. Rest in peace to Gigi. Rest in peace to all the survivors that lost their lives that night, that day. It's still like, I don't know, it's still kind of just weird. You know what I'm saying? Not seeing Kobe, watching the NBA and not seeing Kobe around, like, not used to it. 5 ways to improve your life in 2024. Now look, I don't have no notes. I didn't write shit down. This is all unscripted, off the cuff, off the wire, all that bullshit. Health is wealth. You know, you always want to maintain a good, healthy diet. What I mean, good, healthy diet, I ain't talking about what's physically. I'm talking about mentally. I'm talking about spiritually. I'm talking about what's inside your head. Your thoughts can become your things. The things you think about can become your reality. So health is always wealth. You all make sure you're going to the gym. Make sure you're eating the right things. Make sure you taking care of your teeth, you know what I'm saying? Take care of your ears, getting checkups. Yes, checkups. I'm talking about checkups on your colon. I'm talking about checkups on your dick. I'm talking about checkups on your pussy. I'm talking about checkups on all that. You know what I'm saying? Don't be over here just stunting this shit, fucking all these hoes, and you ain't, you know what I'm saying, knowing your dick leaking and you ain't going to the motherfucking clinic to get that shit taken care of, bro. All you gotta do is go to urgent care, bro. That's all you gotta do is go to urgent care, get the shot in the ass, take the pills, if you gotta take them. I don't know, I ain't been there in a minute, but hey, shit, I've been there. We all been there. So, I mean, ain't shit to be, don't be ashamed of shit. What you went through in your life is your specific story, and you gotta continue your story. You know what I'm saying? So, another thing to improve your life in 2024, stay positive. You know what I'm saying? You always wanna stay positive, have a positive mindset. You ain't gonna get nothing in this world being negative. Like, it might seem like negative motherfuckers is winning, but they really not winning. They lost inside. These motherfuckers that's doing negative shit and dirt, yeah, they might have money, more money than you, but mentally they broke. Spiritually they broke. You know what I'm saying? They physically broke because they didn't have done certain things for said money. So you gotta just remain positive. Negativity ain't gonna get you nowhere. Have a positive mindset. Remain positive. Don't matter what's going on, it can always be worse. You know what I'm saying? Some things in life is temporary. Hot, man. That's another thing about me. I love smoking weed, man. It's like, I know rehab, that's kind of weird to say with smoking weed, but I feel like some motherfuckers might have to go to rehab for smoking weed. And I'm one of them. But I'll smoke because the reason I started smoking, honestly, is because I used to see my mom smoke cigarettes when I was a kid. One day where she dropped, we was going somewhere, and she left, but she was coming right back out. She left, but her cigarette was lit in the car, in the ashtray in the car. Motherfucker smoked it, and I didn't cough. I didn't cough. I didn't none of that shit. Like it was just normal to me, and it's fucked up because, like I said, I'm kind of contradicting myself when I say health is wealth. You want to make sure your lungs in check. I mean, smoking is bad in general, whether it's weed, cigarettes, vapes, is fucking up your lungs. But anyway, I got off on a tangent. But yeah, man, I just love smoking weed. It's just like it might be an addiction. You know, some things that are addictions can be positive addictions as well. It don't have to be negative addictions. Also, I'm sure y'all know that. I'm sure you sitting at home on your couch that's dirty as fuck can understand that. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. But the third thing, how to improve yourself in 2024, set a goal and work towards that goal. It don't matter what it is. It could be on YouTube. It could be going to go hoop more. It could be, you know what I'm saying, working on cars if you're interested in cars. It could be anything that you have a goal set in your life that you want to do. Like, hey, I want to see if I can do this YouTube shit. I want to see if I can be a content creator. Let me see if I can, you know what I'm saying, continue to be consistent, continue to drop videos, continue to drop content, continue not to be afraid of what people may think about you dropping certain content, and always be willing to just stay positive, take advice when need be, and just correct yourself and correct what you want to be in life. You know what I'm saying? If you want to, say for instance, run a marathon, run a crimp, you know what I'm saying? Take the necessary steps into accomplishing your goal and running a crimp. Cause once you accomplish goals in life, you don't want to just be a person in life that's not accomplishing nothing and not getting shit done for themselves. You know what I'm saying? You want to make sure you getting stuff done, whether it's renewing your license, getting a driver's license in general. Like I know it's a lot of people that's my age that don't even have a driver's license. Go get your L's, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? A lot of motherfuckers don't know how to drive. Like, and is scared to go to the DMV to take the test to drive, but they don't know how to drive the way the motherfuckers on the test want you to drive. But and that shit easy, bro. You gotta do is just drive the car, man. Drive the car, don't let the car drive you. That's what you know what I'm saying? If you got a goal that you want to set in your life, don't be afraid to try that shit. At least you can do is try. All you can do is try. You can't do nothing but try. And if it don't work, it don't work. You can at least say, hey, I tried to do it. I can either say, fuck it, fuck that shit, I'm on a new goal, or shit, let me try again and go back, see the mistakes that I made, and try to circle back around to get that goal accomplished. You know what I'm saying? You want to set you a goal in life. It don't matter what it is. You set a goal. You see a dream. You get a dream. You reach for the sky. You grab it, motherfucker. Like, so I mean, make sure you definitely setting goals. Also, I do music. Subscribe to my music channel, Jordan Sharp, DTA the label. I just dropped a song, DTA. Doing hard time can be tough. And you ain't got nobody to call or nobody to trust. It's playing right now as we speak. So listen to the song though on my official YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. That channel is real. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have the Instagram in this because I can't say it. I've been smoking, so I'm low key buzzed, so I ain't gonna be able to get it. But you know what I'm saying? Oh, also, another way to improve your life in 2024: cut out all the toxic shit. Cut out all the toxic people. You know what I'm saying? It don't even have to be like all drawn out. If you don't want to mess with a certain person for whatever reason, leave that in the past and go and move on with your life. Don't hold grudges. Don't hold people in the past for some bullshit. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not, especially if it's bullshit. And only saying this because most of the time it be bullshit. It don't even be shit that motherfuckers are die on. You know what I'm saying? It mostly be bullshit. So cut all the toxic shit out. If you stop going back and forth with motherfuckers, like, stop getting into it with motherfuckers. But people, okay, so people, they do certain shit and say certain shit to get a reaction. They want to see your reaction. They want to see how you react to certain situations. They want to see, all right, is he gonna react to this negatively, or he gonna react to this positively? He gonna react to this how I want him to react, or he gonna react the way I don't want him to react, which will give me all enough ammo to stop fucking with this person, to be shady toward this person, or hurt this person, to do some bullshit to this person. You know what I'm saying? Hey, so in this part of this video, I want y'all to know something. I know that my head is cropped the fuck off terribly. You can see half of my do-rag. Shit, man. I'll fix that shit another time when I do my next video. I'm not about to redo this whole another video and do another one. Fuck that. That shit take You gonna see me grow with this YouTube shit, but I'm high, tired, just got off work. I don't feel like doing that shit. But back to the video. And it's all a psychology mindset thing. You gotta make sure you're paying attention to people's actions, their words, their movements. And if you feel like something off, always try to address that situation. Don't go back and forth. Don't go behind another person's back and go tell them. Yes, you can confide in people, but instead of confiding in me or confiding in them, why don't you just be man or woman enough to bring the conflict to them? And if you see when you bring it up, they on bullshit, then you got all the ammo you need to leave that person alone. You know what I'm saying? So you definitely want to cut off the toxic shit out of your life. You know what I'm saying? And the final reason to improve your life in 2024, I think. My mouth is dry as shit right now, man. Fuck. Stay out of your comfort zone. Get out of your comfort zone. You know what I'm saying? Do something that's not normal. You know what I'm saying? Do something that's different. Not normal in a negative way, but do something that's different. Step out of your comfort zone. If you're not a social person, go to a social event. If you've never been on a plane before, possibly get on a plane and go travel. There's many ways, but yeah, get out of your comfort zone. Doing this is, I'm getting out of my comfort zone. So I be fucking in my own little mood type of shit, own world. So I don't really be paying attention to shit. But what the fuck I gotta pay attention to in my life? So with that being said, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I'm pretty sure y'all know most of this shit. I'm just used to come on here and show my face on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna be seeing me a lot more. Y'all gonna be seeing a whole bunch of topics, vlogs, music on my other music channels. This is specifically the channel about me. I'm gonna let y'all in to me, and I'm gonna do a little Q&A. That's gonna be the next video. You know what I'm saying? I hope you had that up. And yeah, man. Like I said, we at the grind. And the grind